Patrick French here, back with another video. I am the founder and director of the Berkshire Exchange, which is a volume-based trading house based in central London. We help companies like yours to save a ton of money by offering much better exchange rates than you can get from a bank or other brokers. And we also help you to time your entries into the FX market, which reduces your costs and maximizes your profit margins. And the way that we do that is by using technical and fundamental analysis to help you. So I'll show you exactly how we do that. Let's jump straight into the charts. At the moment, it's very much a seller's market. And what I mean by that is if you generate foreign revenue, it is a good time to sell that revenue in order to realize your profit. So we've seen the dollar strengthen recently. We're looking at a chart of euro dollar here. We've broken below this support area at 118.50. We're trading just above 118 at the moment, which means you're obviously going to get a lot more euros for your dollars than you would have done maybe a week or two ago. So good time to get on the phone to your broker or go on your online platform and get a quote to see how much you can sell those dollars for. By all means, do send me a message if you'd like a quote. I'll respond promptly and you can compare rates versus your broker to see how we stack up. We do pride ourselves on giving wholesale exchange rates, and it is one of our USPs, so feel free to reach out. Moving swiftly on to the pound versus the US dollar. Again, over the past 5 or 6 sessions, we've seen the pound weaken. So good time to sell those US dollars. We're trading down at 137 at the moment, having broken below this 138 level. We might even be possibly heading down to 135. The reason that I say that is because we've broken below this 138. For us, we have a very simple thought process. It's a if-then thought process. So if we break below a level of structure, then we expect the market to head lower until we find support. If we break above a level of structure, then we expect the market to move up until we find another level of resistance. So as it stands, we're below this support level and we would expect to possibly see lower prices. So look out for that. Let's move on to the pound versus the euro. Again, sold off for the past 5 or 6 sessions, having a little bit of a rally this morning, trading up at 116, and not the worst place to buy euros at the moment. But as I said, because we've sold off for the past 5 or 6 days, it's definitely much more of a seller's market at the moment. So good time to sell those euros. We do still remain quite bullish on the pound due to the pace of the vaccine rollout. Having said that, there has been a little bit of a spat between the UK and the EU recently. So the EU have threatened to ban exports from Europe to the UK of vaccines. We don't think that they're going to follow through on that, but it has weighed slightly on risk sentiment towards the pound, which is why over the past couple of sessions we're seeing this sell-off. As I said, we are still quite bullish on the pound. So if we can get back above this 116.50 level, then we would expect to see a test of 118. If we do continue lower, then 115 is going to be your target level for support. Moving on, Swiss franc. We are currently sitting on a support level, which is the 128 level. Great time to sell those Swiss francs just in case we use this level as a springboard to march back up towards 130. For anyone looking to buy Swiss francs, considering where we started the year, still great prices, so I wouldn't hesitate to do that if I was you. Canadian dollar now. So this one has seen the pound fall off quite a bit in the past month. So we're now down trading at the 172 level, which is a significant level that has acted as support for the past couple of times that we've been there. So over there and also over there. So if you've got Canadian dollars to sell, now's a great time to do that. We might see a bounce from this area back up to 176. So now is definitely the time to consider your options for selling Canadian dollars. Japanese yen. Again, last 5 or 6 sessions we've sold off. Considering where we started the year, still a great price to buy Japanese yen, but for sellers, not the worst time to sell some yen. We are very bullish on this pair as well because we've got a descending trend line that we expect to be hit over the course of the next couple of months, which will bring us up to about 157. So definitely a good time to sell yen if you need to, considering we see the market possibly heading up here. If the market does also get down to this 148 level, that would be a good place to sell some yen also. A little bit of a different story on the Aussie dollar. So the pound's appreciated quite strongly on Tuesday. We broke above this resistance level at 180 and we're now trading just above 180. The previous couple of times that we broke out here and here, we did get rejected, so perhaps this is the time that we actually see a move up to 184 now. We will have to wait and see. And also similarly on the New Zealand dollar, strong breakout to the upside. We're now trading up above 196, so we broke above this 194 level strongly, trading close to 196.50 at the moment. Really good time to buy New Zealand dollars. For those of you who need to sell New Zealand dollars, if we can break back down to 194, that would be the area that you are looking at. And that's it. We'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you found that valuable. As I said, if anyone would like a quote to compare against their broker or their platform, we do pride ourselves on giving wholesale exchange rates, and also we save you a ton of money by helping you to time your entries, as I said, and I've just showed you exactly how we do that by identifying key support and resistance areas within the market. And obviously, if we know where those areas are, we can help you to get in at optimal times. So that's it, guys. Feel free to send me a message. Give the video a thumbs up, please. That massively helps me out. And I look forward to speaking to you again. Take care. Bye.